Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, you will learn how to call server-side web methods using JavaScript and jQuery for smooth asynchronous AJAX functionality. A web method is a server-side function that can be invoked directly from JavaScript using AJAX. It is defined as static or shared and must be decorated with the web method attribute. Using web methods with jQuery makes your app more responsive. You can fetch or send data in real time without post bugs, making your AI smooth and dynamic. To enable JavaScript to call web methods, make sure your script manager has enabled page methods set to true. This is a simple web method that accepts a name and returns a greeting message. Notice it is shared and marked with the web method attribute. You can now call the server method using page methods, pass your parameters, define success and error callbacks, and display the result in the UI. This example shows how to connect the web form controls, JavaScript, and web method together. The onClient click calls the AJAX function without reloading the page. You can return list, dictionaries, or even custom objects as JSON from web methods. On the client side, JavaScript or jQuery can process them easily. If you want more control, use jQuery's AJAX to call the method. Set headers, stringify the data, and handle the response manually. Web methods can also return complex objects. ASP.NET automatically converts them to JSON so your JavaScript can access properties directly. Watch out for common issues like forgetting to mark the method as shared or sending invalid JSON. Most errors come from these small missteps. To build robust AJAX-enabled web forms, follow best practices. Sanitize inputs, secure your methods, and make sure your app doesn't break an unexpected input. To summarize, web methods are a powerful way to call the server from JavaScript. They keep your UI responsive and your logic centralized. Coming up, we will use JSON web method results to build dynamic charts, handle form submissions with AJAX, and refresh data in real time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.